So good morning everyone. So today we have this lovely 2-bedroomed property on the Country Club near the port of Mazarron. It's 30 minutes from Murcia International Airport and about 10 minutes from several beautiful beaches, which I will show at the end of this video. So come along with me on this beautiful house tour. So this is the off-road parking to this villa, and that gate there leads to the back of the property. Got a lovely terrace just there. So I'm just going to walk down here now. Beautiful, stunning views across the valleys there. And you have a small pedestrian gate here. I'm going to walk up these steps just here. I've got a handrail and some lighting all the way up the steps. This leads to this lovely open terrace. So this terrace, you could put some rattan furniture here, or you could just have a nice bistro table and chairs. Either way, you could sit out here, have your morning coffee, and just look at those stunning views across there. I'm going to home in on those beautiful views. Can you see all that? Absolutely stunning. Now I'm going to take you into this lovely home, but just before I do, just want to show you that there is a light there and an awning, so you can pull that over to shade yourself if it's a very hot day. We do get some beautiful summers here in Spain. So going through, you have this traditional Spanish door. It may echo a bit because a property is empty. As I come in, you can see this fabulous terracotta floor. Okay, I'm just going to pan around, come up here. Really lovely, and they got that traditional Spanish door. You've also got Reckitt blackout blinds on the windows, and you have 2 ceiling lights and fans in this living room. Okay. Now, through the archway, you have your bathroom, which I'm going to show you now, or your shower room, I should say. It's a nice large shower, your WC, and of course you've got a vanity unit here. You've just got a mirror there and a cupboard. Just above you've got your extractor fan and your heater. I'm going to take you in to the first bedroom first. So in here you have a master bedroom. You have a ceiling light and fan and your aircon, blackout blinds and insect screens and Reckitt on the windows. Just going to pan around for you, and you've got this lovely large double wardrobe with sliding doors. Now I'm just going to open them up because there's no one in the house, just to give you an idea of the depth of that wardrobe. And if I show you the other side as well, really nice. You've got plenty of shelving there, okay? You could easily put a little safe in there if you wanted to. So I'll give you an idea of the room while I shut the door. And we're going to walk in to the second bedroom. So just in here, again, you have aircon, ceiling light and fan, your Reckitt blackout blinds, insect screens on the windows, your switches and sockets on either side of where the bed would be, and you have a double wardrobe again. Just going to have a look just in here, give you a quick view. Good size wardrobe, it's very deep. You know, very deep indeed. Okay. So, back in here, your lovely living space, looking out onto that beautiful terrace. And in here is your kitchen, very compact. It has integrated hood extractor. You've got plenty of top and base units. You've got your dishwasher, electric oven, electric hob, plenty of units there and your worktop space. Got your sink and drainer there. And as I pan round, you've got a fridge freezer with another cupboard just above. Now just here, got another traditional Spanish door, just like the front door. You can open that up and you can let some light in. You can open that up and make it even bigger, and that has glass in it there. Very traditional, I just thought I'd show you that. I think really makes it lovely. I'll shut them over. I'm going to bring you outside now. So out here you have an area where you have a water point. You could put a table and chairs here, quite easy. So you could sit out here in the mornings and have your breakfast if you wanted to. Just there you have a large boiler, washing machine and a sluice sink. Just here there's a few steps down. Now we are on Mazarron Country Club. You have got a supermarket here, other amenities, and you have got a bar, tennis courts and a swimming pool. The swimming pool is a community pool. It's absolutely fantastic. Great in the summer. Great for holiday makers. Absolutely stunning. I've been there a few times myself. It's very nice. So, if you are interested in this property, do contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com. I will leave the reference number of the video in the title of the video for you to contact the agent. Okay? So until the next time, take care and have an amazing day.